Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have a lot of things to discuss in this video, thousands of openings and how can you get a job like part-time, full-time, whatever. Okay, so we'll discuss everything in this video. So please do watch this video at the very end to know about it and apply it at the earliest. Okay, so if you're very new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and activating the bell icon as well to get the notifications at the right time. So first, let me start with the IBM opening as Associate Systems Engineer. You can see here the eligibility criteria. That is qualification criteria. They are looking for the BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, and ME students specialized in these branches. Okay, so these are computer science related and circuit branches. So if you belong to this eligibility criteria, then you can definitely apply to this role as Associate Systems Engineer. And preferred technical and professional qualities, that is environment, professional knowledge related to your KRAs, the required you to demonstrate the ability to absorb professional knowledge and all. Communication, you should have professional communication knowledge, then problem solving skill, leadership, contribution, impact on business and scope. Okay, so this is what they're expecting you to have. Some soft skills, okay, soft skills when it comes to a corporate environment. That's what they are expecting you to have. And they have not mentioned any kind of batch criteria here. It means any batches, trending batches like 2019 plus, who comes under this eligibility criteria can apply to this job opening. Okay, so now to apply for that, you can click on to this apply button and continue with the application process. So before getting into application process, I have something to introduce to you. It's regarding an opportunity for you to get full-time or part-time jobs that provides you a CTC up to 40K. Okay, so this opportunity can be used by any of the people who's having the education greater than 8 standard. So part-time job, full-time job, any kind of job that you can get. And this opportunity is provided by Apna app. I will leave the link in the description. You can get it from there. And you can see these are the types of jobs that they're providing, like business development, graphic designer, teacher, counselor, human resource, software engineer, software developer, then fitness technician, IT support, different kind of domains. Okay, so according to your interest, you can choose that. See lot of openings around you, like thousands of openings around you, and you can apply to that. And CTC is providing, that is for the freshers and all, the CTC provides up to 40K per month. So that is actually a great opportunity, right? And currently there are 2.2 crore plus users for this application, and in last month they could provide a lot of employment opportunity, like 1.6 crore users got an opportunity to get an employment in top companies, big companies in Reliance, Zomato and all. Okay, that is two different domains, part-time, full-time and different domains. Okay, so currently the main issue for the unemployment is we are not getting to know about the opportunities available. We are not getting an option to apply to the job that we like. So all these problems are solved by this particular solution, this particular opportunity provided by Apna app. Okay, so I will leave the link in the description. You can get it from there and go through this application. Just click on to that and you can just go through and see what is there. So as you can see, this is how you select your type, and you can give your name, job city, then your education detail, like how is it from the list, and you can click on to the OK button. Now you can see a lot of job openings. So I have selected few types, and according to that, this is how it looks like. So 35K is there providing the CTC, and 45K is there. So similarly, according to your interest, you can see, and your interest, the job opening details, the CTC provided, you can select. And the highest highlight is we can schedule the job, okay, selection process for the job. Within 3 days, you can get a job. Okay, within a day, you can schedule the process, and within 3 days, you can get a job. So once you select any kind of job that you would like to have, you can directly contact the HR through a call or through WhatsApp, and you can contact them and start with your job. Okay, so you can see here, this is how you do it, and there is no fees kind of thing, no middleman kind of thing. You can directly contact the company and you can directly schedule the thing and you can get a job. Okay, so I hope all the details pretty much clear to you. Part-time job, full-time job, anything up to 40K is available here. Link will be there in the description. You can get it from there and apply it at the earliest. So this is very important opportunity, guys, because exploring things, exploring opportunities, the only way to find what is good for you and what really suits you and what you really want to do. Okay, so these kind of opportunities is a very good for you to find what you really like. And obviously for the part-time jobs and all, like most of us are looking, like it's a very good source of income when you're doing your studies, and full-time jobs to work from home jobs, everything you can get. Okay, so this is regarding the thousands of opening that you can get at a click rate. Okay, so I hope all the details is pretty much clear to you. Now coming back to the opening available in IBM. So we was left behind with the application process. You can click on to the apply now button, give your upload your resume by making in the login. Then you can give your education details, your personal information, everything. And after that, we can submit to this opening. Okay, so once you submit, you should watch your mail. They will respond you for the selection process, and later things will be taken care. Okay, so the CTC range for the freshers for associate systems role is like around 4.5 plus LPAs, so you can get somewhere around that. Okay, so this is the complete details regarding the IBM opening. Now let's move on to the HP opening as a summer intern. So it's a summertime, lot of internship opportunities will be coming, and most of the job opportunities will be like you will be getting converted into full-time employees once the internship time is complete and you performed well. So that is also a kind of secured opportunity that you can get. Okay, so here HP is looking for the graduates who's enrolled in university. So currently who's there in your graduation process. Okay, so students working at HP who are enrolled in apprenticeship program and associated with the university, typically used in countries where specialized programs exist. Okay, so college interns and all. So I hope you understood the complete details. What do you mean by the internship? You can see college intern is only used in selected countries where it is not the practice to differentiate based on academic year completion. Okay, so you can click on to this apply now button, then you can create a profile under the career section, can apply to it and apply to it. Okay, so stipend will be there for the interns according to the company policy, and company standards are completely different. Depends upon them. Okay, so I hope this opening is also pretty much clear to you. All the links will be there in the description. You can get it from there, explore it yourself, and you can apply. Okay, so just apply it at the earliest. Okay, you can click on this skip and continue, because this is to get the notification regarding the different job openings. If you want to have it, then you can click. Okay, so I hope this, how to apply for this also pretty much clear to you. So you need to make a login to Workday. If you are very new, you can start a profile. If not, you can use the existing profile to apply to this opening. Okay, so let's discuss the other opening from SAP now. So SAP is providing or accepting support associate applications for 0 to 3 years experience. Okay, so actually they are taking a lot of people, it seems, because they are taking people from different experience, freshers, few years of experience and all. So you can see in this detail section, eligibility criteria. Okay, role requirement, they have provided 4 to 5 years of experience. Okay, and in heading they provided 0 to 3 years of experience. That is, like, it means that they are taking both kind of people. Okay, so you can apply if you have the skills, then you will be putting into the junior section, obviously junior associate system associate role. So that's how it works. Okay, so there is no harm in applying. If they have mentioned 0 to 3 years of experience, then you can apply, no problem in that. If your skill set is okay with them, then definitely they will contact you. Okay, now major is BE BTech students or equivalent. They have not mentioned any kind of specialization, so anyone can apply to it. Experience and relational database, this is for the experienced people. But if you're a fresher, it's very good for you to having an exposure, like you should know what is that. Okay, like about what is relation database and all these things. And if you're an experienced candidate, you should have experience in that. Then should be knowledgeable in Unix or Linux. Experience in Sales Cloud commissions is preferable. Knowledge in Tomcat or web knowledge is preferable. Knowledge on SSO or SAML is preferable. So similarly, you can see there are so many preferred knowledge, and Soft skills requirement too. You can see here highly dependent and professional, highly motivated, self-started and positive attitude, communication skills, and all these kind of details. Okay, so if you feel that this job is pretty good for you, for your career, then you can definitely apply. And before applying, I would highly recommend you to go through all these points to know about the different things that you'll be doing there under a support associative. Okay, so position involves variable hours, which will include morning shifts, general shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, overnight shifts, and weekend and holiday shifts. Okay, so this is common with all the corporate jobs. So if you're ready to apply for that, you can definitely apply. You can click onto this apply now button. Here also they have provided it is for graduates, like people can apply. Okay, so you can click on to this apply now button. You need to create a profile under the career section of SAP and you can apply. So to create a profile, you need to give your personal information, education details, upload your resume, all those details and apply it. Okay, so if you have few months of experience, internship experience and all, you can give that in that section, which will obviously add up your value. Okay, then SAP associate is getting a CTC around the same range, like 4.55, around that. So you can expect a CTC range according to that, according to your personal value, according to the team that you are getting into. So that is the details regarding this opening as well. Okay, so I hope all the details are pretty much clear to you. Once again, I'm reminding you a very good opportunity that Apna app is providing to get a full-time or part-time job, work from home jobs, that is providing your CTC up to 40K, and you can get a job in easily in 3 days through an application, directly contacting the HR just by phone call or WhatsApp. So it's a very good opportunity, guys, to get you exposed to a lot of employment opportunity. Okay, so I will leave the link in the description. You can get it from there. Just go through the application, just go through the different features they're providing, explore it yourself. You will be really impressed by the opportunities that they are providing. Okay, so I hope all the details are pretty much clear. In case if you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I be back again with another kind of video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.